Discord is a communication app for gamers that lets you easily voice chat with your friends, share photos and videos, and join servers with them. But what happens when you want to unfriend someone on Discord? In this video I'll show you how to do it on your mobile device, so if they are ready to get rid of that toxic gamer friends. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app. Now we should open main menu. When you open up Discord tab, tap on three lines at the top left corner, and then in the bottom you'll be able to see some different options. We should select second option, this little icon, tap on it, and you'll be able to see your all friends. From the friends list, you just tap on any friends, for example this one. Then, from appeared menu, tap on three lines at the right corner here, and you'll be able to see remove friends. Just tap on it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.